Stand at the end of your mat, keep your feet together and distribute your weight on the both feet equally. Open your chest and just relax your shoulders. Breathe in and lift both your arms up from the sides. Exhale and bring your palms together in a prayer position in front of your chest. Breathe in and lift your arms up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make effort to stretch your whole body starting from the heels up to fingertips. Breathing out, bend forward from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. Breathe in and push your right leg as far back as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Take your left leg back. Your shoulder and wrist must be in one line. Your neck must be in line with spine. Your feet are together and palm as well. Now drop the knees down. Allow the hip to stay up. Feel the chest and chin down. Elbows must be close to the body and chin is on the mat. Slide forward and raise your chest up into the cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Slowly look up. Breathe out and lift your hips as well as your tailbone up. Put your chest downward to create an inverted V pose. Breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Bring your left knee down to the ground. Press your hips down and then look up. Breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palms on the ground. You can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backwards a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Exhale and first straighten your body. Bring your arms down. Relax in this yoga pose. Observe the sensation that the sun salutation bring in your body.